The last session of the unit 1 is that is applications of cloud. The first application, why it is used, what is the importance, application, use. We'll discuss the first factor, that is scalability. What it is? Scalability. What do you mean by the scalability, sir? What it actually, what is that application? Scalability and real. Scalability in the sense, assume that a user is subscribed with a service provider. A user is subscribed with the service provider. A user is subscribed with the service provider. He need assume that he is going to subscribe for 200 GB data space. Assume that this for 200 GB data space salವಾಗಿ ಅವ subscribe ಆಗ್ಯಾನ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ. Subscribe ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. They pay for the service. The user is paying for the service. My question arises that if you are subscribed for 200 GB data, if you subscribe for 200 GB data, in case after subscription, I need 50 GB more. I need 50 GB more data. I need more 50 GB data space. What you are going to do now? The thing it is, you are going to do is, you are not supposed to buy, you have to subscribe for 50 GB again. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, 50 GB ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಬೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ 50 GB ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ, 150 GB ಡೇಟಾನ ನಾವು ಡೇಟಾ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. This is a scalability. If you are with a cloud, you can increase your demands by paying less. ಅದೇ ನೀವೇ ಇದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 200 GB buy ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು 50 GB, the cost is going to increase. When you are going to cloud computing, the scalability is there. How much you want, you are going to take. How much you used, that much you are going to take. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. First application is scalability. Have you clear with the first application? Raise your hands if it is clear. Okay, scalability, you clear with the scalability. The second thing is simplicity. The first one is scalability. Second one is simplicity. Simplicity in the sense, again, a company is there. ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If you want to maintain your local server, there are more complexities are there. If you want to maintain your local server, you need to pay for devices, that is equipments. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನೀವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ for equipments and for staff. equipments ಗೆ staff ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹೆಂಗ ನಿಮ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ಅಥವಾ equipments ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ ಹಂಗ staff ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತತಿ equipment ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದಂಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ cost is going to increase what cost is going to increase complexity also increases data maintenance ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ complexity is going to maintain so ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ for the service provider you are going to pay about 20,000 in the sense ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 30,000 ಹಾಕಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ less 10,000 less ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು you are going to pay for 20,000 you are going to pay for 20,000 how much you are going to save now the 10,000 so moving to the cloud is very simple and it is scalable ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಗ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು if you subscribe for 10 ಅಥವಾ ಏನಂತೀರಿ subscribe for network equipment if you want some CPU you need to pay extra charges 5,000 simple adari it is scalable and it is very simple two applications you need to write one is scalability another one simplicity have you clear with this when the service provider comes in between you and the device the whole thing is very simple the handling the cloud is very simple have you clear with this raise your hands